Welcome! In this quick guide, I'll show how to mark all notifications as read on Facebook using your PC. If your notifications are piling up and you want a clean slate in just a few clicks, this updated method makes it really simple. First, go ahead and open Facebook on your web browser. You can use any browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Once you're logged into your account, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. This is where you'll find all the main controls for your profile. Now click on the notifications icon. It looks like a small bell. As soon as you click it, a drop-down will appear showing all your recent notifications, including likes, comments, friend requests, and more. If you have a lot of unread notifications, this list can look a bit overwhelming. But don't worry, Facebook has made it easy to clear everything at once. At the top of the notifications panel, you'll see 3 small dots. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This will open a small menu with a few options related to your notifications. From this menu, simply click on Mark All as Read. As soon as you select it, Facebook will instantly mark every notification as read. You'll notice that all the blue highlights disappear and your notifications are now cleared. This is especially useful if you don't want to go through each notification one by one. It saves time and keeps your account looking organized. And that's it. That's how you can quickly mark all notifications as read on Facebook using your PC with the latest update. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more tips and tutorials to stay updated with the latest Facebook features.